Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to Mian Beach. We are right here at the volleyball nets of the Mian Beach area. We see here Starbucks and Highlands Coffee. Highlands Coffee, oh God. I saw Highlands Coffee in Manila when I was there and I couldn't, it was closed because it was in the business district in the banks. In the banks they had like Highlands Coffee and I was so happy. But every time I walked in there, it was somehow closed. But, I was able to order Highlands Coffee on Grab. So I enjoyed some Vietnamese coffee in the Philippines as well. Because I cannot have the normal coffee anymore. I think if you go one time with the Vietnamese coffee, you don't want to have anything else anymore. Vietnamese coffee is just this taste. The bitter and then they put in the sweet condensed milk. It's just a perfect mix. And it's strong, it's strong. You don't need anything else but Vietnamese coffee in life. You will be on fire. Are you tired at work? Get some Vietnamese coffee. Are you annoyed? Get some Vietnamese coffee. Oh. But don't get too much Vietnamese coffee. If I get three big ones, strong ones in a row, then sometimes my heart is pumping too quick. Yeah. So be aware. Try it out first. Get a Vietnamese coffee. See how you feel afterwards and maybe take another one. But not more. I always have that when I go to the airport because I have very strong Vietnamese coffee in the lounge. And sometimes I overdo it and then I'm like super nervous. Anxiety level on the and this is right before you fly, like oh my god, then you have to sit down for 1.5 hours. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Be aware for that. Maybe don't drink Vietnamese coffee before flights. Actually, I'm gonna show you a very interesting new restaurant. I actually tried out 2 times now, or 1 time, I'm not sure, but it was very good. Everything in this video. We'll walk now to the left. Gonna go into the street of the 43 town and I will show you this very nice Vietnamese restaurant where they have actually noodle soups or noodles all around Vietnam. Very interesting. Yeah, and they also have a proper traffic light here, this intersection. 43 town, Le Foire, lots of restaurants in there. I think 4 or 5 restaurants are in this little thingy. I only tried the barbecue, but I like this Luc Tin Nom, whatever is on the right more. But if you want to have the best places, like always, either way watch all my videos and the German ones too, or get my Google Maps guide. I will link it here or go to my link in the description. There you have some small little shops and you can actually sit here. It's actually nice here in the evening time. Lots of people make photos here in the street. Yeah, very nice and cute. It's a little bit hot right now, so not many people are here. But yeah, it's great. But this is one of my favorite hot pots and grill together. They have great sushi as well. I should go back there. The Cups Coffee Roastery is right next to Bread and Butter. I think they belong together because they are. You can just walk through all the places. Very interesting. And you have also a very stylish Highlands Coffee over there. This one. And it is. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's a little bit upper, like the upper class, not upper class, upper scale Highlands. So normal Highlands looks different. This looks a little bit more modern, and it looks a little bit like Starbucks Reserved. Bread and Butter Bakery. We are now at the Chan Bac Dan Street. Very interesting street too. It's the parallel street to the beach road. And here on the left side, we will find the new Vietnamese restaurant where they actually have khao lao, mi quang, pho, un bo hue, I think everything. Hu tu. It's not a family cute owned restaurant. I think this is a big corporation behind it, but everything works like that. I think it's the same owners than Bread and Butter or something, I'm not sure. At least they had, when you did the card payment, the cups coffee charged you. And on the table there were like toothpicks from Bread and Butter, I think. Yeah. Oh no, from 43 Town. So I'm not sure if, I think all those buildings, restaurants belong together somehow. But yeah, this Vietnamese restaurant, yeah, tastes good. Very tender meat in the khao lao, beautiful. But here you can always get some refreshments, drinks, sit down on the plastic stools, the typical Vietnamese charm, beautiful. But you can also go to nice restaurants right over there. And this is the beautiful thing here. Unlike other cities in Asia, here you have everything. You have normal, locally priced places, and then you have the more high-end restaurants all together. You can get a coffee for $3 or you can get a coffee for 50 cents, all in the same street. The only difference will be probably AC. So if you want to have AC, the coffees are more expensive, which is, yeah, obvious. But if you just want to have a coffee, you can get it too, and it's not worse. In my opinion, those little uncle coffees where you sit down, lots of Vietnamese uncles smoking cigarettes. This is where you get the best coffee, in my opinion. I love it. This is also a very interesting spot here. It's a bar, a sports bar. They have live music and a pizza place. All in a very long stretch. Very unusual. But I remember when I came here the first time, there was nothing there. And they just built a slim restaurant. You have hotels here as well, Halina Hotel and Alani Hotel. I did review all those hotels also on my main channel, so don't forget to subscribe to Social Semi as well. I did actually almost every important hotel here. I still have to go 200, 300 more. But yeah, I will do them all. Now it's a little bit tricky talking about hotel prices. Hotel prices during this time of the year are the highest possible. It's not getting higher than this. Every single Saturday to Sunday, every hotel will be 3 times the price because of the International Fireworks Festival. When this is over, everything is back to normal. But yeah, it's not a good time if you want to have a budget stay or an easy stay to move around. I just met a friendly Irish friend. Oh no, Scottish. I'm so sorry, a Scottish friend. And he told me about he moves around at the moment a lot because Saturdays the hotels you want to stay are also fully booked. Yeah. So you have to hotel and apartment hunting during the 6 weeks of the International Fireworks Festival might be very tricky, very hard to find. It's still easy, it's still possible. But for example, I looked up for a friend also some hotels I like. They are like 2.5 times. Like if they are cheap, around 10 euro, then they will be 25. It's still affordable. It's just from the percentage wise, how much more expensive it is significant then. But it's just a Saturday to Sunday. Right? So the International Fireworks Festival will be finished on the 12th of July. And then everything is back to normal. We are still in the super high season, super hot summer, but the International Fireworks Festival will be done. Which attracts also lots of locals all around the country coming here just for the festival, for a nice little weekend. And yeah, this also spikes up the prices, especially all the hotels that are close to the fireworks festival will be definitely more expensive. But look at this here, wow, wow, wow. It's getting into shape. It's getting into shape. think this building will be done the first. We have already windows in. It's a good sign. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what's going to happen there. Maybe there's gonna be a little spot there for a coffee shop for Marcus. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll find out if that's actually an interesting place or not. I'm wondering how it will be. Will there be like a fence around? Very interesting. Because sitting outside here with the noise, I'm not sure if that's good. And this building is also gonna be huge. What will this be? What will this, oh, I see it now. I'm so blind. That looks very nice. I hope you see this too. Very nice, stylish apartments or hotels. Wow. I mean, we need some high-end stuff here too. Beautiful, look at this. This is crazy. A pool in blue glass. Huh. Wow. Let's also check out if this place is finally done. Oh, wow. Oh my God, so much new stuff. Oh, wow. This is almost done now. Guys, this is crazy. Vietnam goes on a warp speed pace in building things here. So they are a little bit slow, very slow. They're working on this for so long time. Not sure if they know what they want to actually finish it up to, but yeah. Section 30, still the same. Still a great place here. I like Section 30. Sometimes it's a little bit hot, but it is not too loud. And look at this. We walked by there often now in these walking videos here. And now the foundation is almost done. This is crazy. There was nothing, there was just a big hole. First they teared everything down. Yeah. So right at the moment, how many stories? Maybe it's going even higher. But I could imagine this will be, I don't know, restaurant or apartments. And also, shout out to my friend Patrick. He recommended me this pizza. Hello! He recommended me this pizza here. Gotta still try it out. And right next to it is good coffee shop. Beautiful. Solis Coffee, Brunch and Beer. Interesting. This looks super stylish, guys. They have a big tree in there and then like a whole... I will definitely check this out as soon as it's done. Lots of beer I can already see. So they're looking for staff at the moment. It looks very stylish. All right. Lots of exciting new places popping up left and right. This city doesn't sleep. They're always building on something. The only thing I would want to have is sidewalks. I think this is the only negative thing here in the city are the sidewalks. You have to get used to that, but then it's all good. Don't do sudden movements. Be aware, people will honk at you, not on aggressive note. They will just tell you, hey bro, I'm coming. Have this in mind when you come here. The honking is not the negative thing here. Also, if you want to exchange money, go to this guy, the wood guy. Very friendly guy. He gave me one time an agar wood chain. Very friendly guy. I really like him. It's a family business. And they change money for the perfect rate. Not sure why, how they can do it, but I guess the business is having US dollar or euro or something. Oh. We're now in the Le Condal Street. And what's going to happen here new? Nothing new. Cutie spa. Coffee shop. This is also apartment building. Guys, you can live in this building. They have a coffee shop downstairs and a big hotel there. And I think they belong together somehow. Because you can, if you live in this building, you can actually go to the pool in this building, in this hotel, in the Golden Lotus Grand. Also in my Google Maps guide, I have a lot of phone numbers from those houses where they just put the phone number out. So I take the phone number and put it in the map. So I don't know how it looks inside, but it's definitely taking out lots of walking work for you. because you can just call them, ask for availability, and get a video maybe. And if you like it, go there and watch it. Check it out yourself. Never sign anything before you see it. You always have to check if there's mold or anything like that, because that's a big thing here. Usually if people live in places long time, it should be fine. But if our apartments are not rented out for long, yeah, or poor build quality, which all can happen, right? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and see you in the next one.